Please subscribe to our channel. For latest updates, don't forget to press the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to Piping Official. In this video, we will learn how to read basic piping isometric drawing. Before we start this video, we have to familiar with the piping isometric symbols. For that, I have already created a video, link in the description, or you can click on the card on your top right side. This is not an actual design isometric from PNID. This isometric is just for educational purpose because I have to cover most common fittings, walls, etc. to read isometric in a very easiest way. So let's start with the pipeline number. Usually we draw one pipeline number in a single isometric drawing. In red color you can see the pipeline. Fittings are in green color like elbow, T, reducer, flange, etc. To connect all the fittings we need to weld as you can see in the picture. Let's connect some walls to regulate the flow. Once the line is ready, we need pipe support to support the pipe. We need some elevation and dimension to know the pipe length. And the last one is from to information